Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. In this video, we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 9, Geometry and Algebra. This is a continuation of the chapter Coordinates. Okay, coordinate chapter's continuation is this one. And in the coordinate chapter, we have learned how to find the distance between two points. Then how to find the coordinate of a point in a plane. Similarly, if we have a rectangle like this, with the two coordinates, then we know how to find the remaining coordinates. By considering the line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Here 2, 3 and 6, 5. So what will be the coordinate of this one? This is x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means y-coordinate will be same. That is 2. Instead of 2, 3, here x coordinate will be 6, then 3. Y coordinate same. Now here what will happen in this line? This is y axis. In y axis all the x coordinate will be same. That is 2 here. Now here this is x axis. In x axis y coordinate will be same. That is 5. So 2, 5 and 6, 3. This is the way to find the coordinate of the points. Now here in this chapter we are going to deal with figures other than rectangles. Okay, that means just a parallelogram, that different shape, okay, other than the rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle and sides are parallel to axis, x-axis and y-axis. But now we are going to consider different shape. For example, if we have a parallelogram like this. This is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Suppose in this parallelogram, this coordinate is 2, 3. Then this one is 6, 3. Then this one is 2, 5. Suppose like this. Then how we will find this point? Okay, we want to find the coordinate at this point. But here this line, this is not parallel to x-axis or y-axis. Similarly, this line is not parallel to x-axis or y-axis. That means this rule we can't apply here. Okay, here we can apply that parallel rule because all the lines are parallel to x-axis or y-axis. But here it is parallel lines, but it is not parallel to x-axis or y-axis. Here direct procedure is different one, that is a lengthy one, by considering midpoint and like that. I will explain one easy method. Okay, without using any equation you can write the answer. Method is, consider the diagonal. This is the diagonal given. Okay, with at least with the two coordinates. This is the diagonal with the two coordinates given. Now in order to find the x point of this one, okay, this is x and this is y. In order to find this x point, add the x coordinate of this diagonal points. That means x coordinate here 6 and here 2. Okay, consider x coordinate of diagonal. Okay, so here 6 and here 2. So 6 plus 2, like this, 6 plus 2. Then subtraction, minus x coordinate of this corner point, x coordinate of one corner point, that is 2 here. Okay, like this. Now here 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. That means the x coordinate of this point will be 6. Similarly, to find the y coordinate, first of all add the y coordinate of diagonal. Y coordinate of diagonals are 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5. That answer minus y coordinate of corner. Y coordinate of corner here 3. So minus 3. So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So 6, 5. 6, 5 is the x and y coordinate of this point. This is a easy method to find the coordinate. Okay, suppose this one given and this one we need to find, then we will consider the diagonal number, then we will find the we will consider the corner point as 6 and 5. If you want to find this one, suppose these two are given and one corner is given, then we will consider this diagonal. Okay, at least one diagonal coordinate we need and one corner point also we need. Okay, that is the way to find the coordinate. Now check the answer here. 2 3 here, 6 3 here, 6 5 here, 2 5 here. Why? This is also a parallelogram. Okay, so here also we can apply this method. Okay, without considering that parallel line method, we can find the answer here also. Like this is also what? Diagonal. Okay, this is also a diagonal. So 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6 here. Then 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 minus 3, 5 here. Okay, so for all the parallelogram we can apply this method. Okay, so this is a easy one. Equation is not there. Equation wise you can solve, that you will learn in second section, that is by considering midpoint, because for all the parallelogram diagonal meet at a common point, diagonal bisect each other. That's why we are using this method. Diagonal bisect each other. Here also diagonal bisect each other. That means midpoint is common. For both the diagonal, midpoint is common. That's why we are using this method. Okay, now let's move on to problems from page number 213 and 214. Question number 1 is, a parallelogram is given. Okay, in the question a parallelogram is given with the 3 points, 1 3 5 4 2 5. These are the 3 coordinates given. Question is, find the coordinate of the fourth vertex. Coordinate of fourth vertex means this coordinate. This is a missing one. This is what we need to find. Okay, so here C coordinate x and y we need to find. So this is a parallelogram. It is already given in the question. So parallelogram means, first of all consider the diagonal. One diagonal we must need. That is 2 5 and 5 4 is given. That's why DB, the diagonal DB we can consider. Okay, this is the diagonal and this is one corner point given. So in order to find the x coordinate, okay, in x coordinate to find, what we will do? Sum of x coordinate in the diagonal pair. So x coordinates are 5 and 2. This is x, this is y, this is x, this is y, x, y. Okay, just to understand. So sum of x coordinate, that is 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 minus corners x. Okay, corner coordinates x, that is 1. So minus 1. So answer is what? 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 1 6. That means here x coordinate will be 6. Next to find y coordinate, sum of y coordinates in the diagonal. Diagonal y coordinates are 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 minus corner point. Corner point is a, y coordinate is 3. So minus 3. 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 3 again 6. That means the fourth vertex is 6 6. Okay, fourth vertex C coordinate, that is 6 6 is the answer. Okay, this is a easy method. So this is first one's answer. Now in the second question, again a parallelogram given. Again a parallelogram with coordinates as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 and x4 y4. Question is, prove that x1 plus x3 equal to x2 plus x4 and y1 plus y3 equal to y2 plus y4. This is a question. Now to find this, we can apply the same rule. Any of the diagonal we can consider. Here all the 4 coordinates already given. Okay, so let's consider the diagonal. Let's consider this diagonal. Okay, now here in this diagonal, suppose we need to find x3. So x3 will be equal to what? How we will find this x3? Sum of x coordinate in the diagonal minus x coordinate in the corner point. So here the x coordinates are x2 and x4. So x2 plus x4, that sum minus x coordinate in the corner. X coordinate in the corner, it is x1. So minus x1. This is our rule. Okay. Now let's take this minus x1 to this side. So answer will be x3 plus x1 equal to x2 plus x4. x3 plus x1 and x1 plus x3 both are same. So we got the first proof. Okay, directly we can find. Okay, this is the first proof. Similarly, next coordinate, that is y3. Let's consider y3. How we will find y3? Sum of y coordinate in the diagonal minus coordinates y coordinate in the corner point. So y coordinates are y2 and y4. So y2 plus y4 minus y coordinate in the corner point, that is y1 minus y1. Now take this minus y1 to this side. So y3 plus y1 equal to y2 plus y4. So second proof also we got. Okay, this is the answer. Second question. Okay, directly we can find just by considering the diagonal and one corner point. Okay, so second one answer also over. Next is question number 3. Here also one parallelogram given with one coordinate as origin. Then x2 y2 is given and x1 y1 given. Question is find the coordinate of the fourth vertex. Okay, let's mark the point as A here, B here, C. Origin means this coordinate will be 0 0. Okay, now we want to find the coordinate of B, that is x coordinate and y coordinate we need. So in order to find x coordinate, what we will do? Sum of x coordinate in the diagonal coordinate, two diagonal coordinates are given. So sum of x coordinate, so x1 and x2. So x1 plus x2 minus x coordinate in the corner point, that is what? 0. So minus 0. Answer is what? x1 plus x2 itself. Okay, so x coordinate we got. Next is y coordinate. In order to get the y coordinate in one corner, sum of y coordinate in the diagonal minus y coordinate in the corner. So y coordinates are y1 and y2. So y1 plus y2 minus y coordinate in the corner, that is 0. So 0. Answer again y1 plus y2. That is B coordinate xy. B coordinate xy is, first is x1 plus x2. Next is y1 plus y2. Okay, so this is third one's answer. Very easy chapter. Okay, so this is third one's answer because one coordinate is origin, corner point is origin. Then directly we can find the x coordinate just by adding the x coordinate in the diagonal and y coordinate in the diagonal. Okay, if one coordinate is origin. Okay.
Next is question number 4. Prove that in any parallelogram, the sum of the squares of all sides is equal to the sum of the squares of the diagonals.
Here in this question, we have to consider a parallelogram. Okay, we have to consider a parallelogram and we need to prove that sum of the squares of all the sides. Sum of the squares means OA square, AB square, BC square, OC square. All these side squares is sum. That will be equal to sum of the squares of diagonal. Okay, that is the question we need to prove. So here we have to prove that OA square plus AB square plus BC square plus OC square equal to diagonal. Diagonal means first diagonal OB. So B square plus second diagonal is what? AC. So AC square. This is what we need to prove. Okay, this is the question. So first of all, let's consider the points here. Let's consider this point as origin. Let's start from origin. So this point consider as 0 0. This one let's consider as x1 y1. C consider as x2 y2. Then what will be B coordinate? If like this, like the previous problem, here answer is one. If one coordinate is origin, sum of the x and sum of the y will be the third corner, that is x1 plus x2. Here answer will be x1 plus x2 comma, next is y1 plus y2. Like this we can consider. Next, let's find each and every side. First, let's find OA. Okay, side OA, distance between O and A. So if one coordinate is origin, what is the equation? Root of x square plus y square is the equation. Okay, in coordinate chapter we learned that distance between 2 points with one coordinate as origin is root of x square plus y square. So here x1 and y1. So root of x1 square plus y1 square. Okay, now take this root to this side. So answer will be OA square equal to x1 square plus y1 square. Okay, next let's find OC. Here also one coordinate origin. So OC equal to again root of x square plus y square. So here coordinates are x2 and y2. So x2 square plus y2 square. Okay, all these equations you have learned in coordinate chapter. That's why I am not repeating. Now take this root to this side. So root come to next side, it will be square. OC square equal to x2 square plus y2 square. Okay, so we got two sides. These two sides we got. Now we know for a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Opposite side equal means this OA equal to what? OA and BC are equal, and this OC and AB are equal. OA equal to BC and OC equal to AB. Two sides equal. So if sides equal means its square will also be equal. So what we will get the answer when you add all these, that is OA square plus OA square plus OC square. Let's add first. Okay, that is equal to what? x1 square plus y1 square, x2 square, y2 square. We can add all this. So x1 square plus, first let's complete x coordinate. So x2 square plus y1 square plus y2 square. This is sum of these two sides. These two sides sum will also be what? Same answer, because both the sides are equal. So sum of all the four sides will be what? OA square plus OA, after OA AB square plus BC square plus OC square. Sum of all the four sides will be the same answer will repeat. Okay, for the second side also the same answer will repeat. That means x1 will be 2, x2 square repeat 2 times, y1 square repeat 2 times. So answer becomes 2 into x1 square plus x2 square plus y1 square plus y2 square. This will be the first part. Okay, sum of squares of all the four side answer will be 2 into x1 square plus x2 square plus y1 square plus y2 square, because both the sides are same answer we will get, that is 2x1 like that. That's why 2 common and we can write the answer. Now we have to find the diagonal answers, squares of diagonals, and we have to check whether the same answer we are getting or not. First let's find the diagonal OB. So diagonal OB. So in the diagonal OB also one coordinate is origin. So equation will be root of x square plus y square. So here x is x1 plus x2 the whole square, because x coordinate is x1 plus x2 plus y coordinate. Y coordinate is what? y1 plus y2 the whole square. Now take this root to this side. So OB square equal to x1 plus x2 the whole square plus y1 plus y2 the whole square. Okay, so first diagonal we got. Now the second diagonal is AC. So AC equal to root of, here the coordinates are different, x1 y1 and x2 y2. So what is the distance formula? x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So same equation, because same x1 y1 here. So x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Take the square to this side. So AC square equal to x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So we got OB square and AC square. Now we have to find the sum of this. So OB square plus AC square, sum of the squares of diagonal. So let's expand this. x1 plus x2 the whole square. First one, this is first one, this is second one. Sum of these two. But here whole square, that means identity we have to apply. So x1 plus x2 the whole square means x1 square plus 2 into x1 x2 plus x2 square. This is the identity. Plus second bracket is with y1 plus y2 the whole square. So expand y1 square plus 2y1 y2 plus y2 square. Okay, this is the answer for the first one. Plus second answer. Here x1 minus x2 the whole square, minus identity. So answer is x1 square minus 2x1 x2 plus x2 square. Okay, now second bracket, that is plus second bracket is y1 minus y2 the whole square. So y1 square minus 2 into y1 y2 plus y2 square. Now we have to cancel the similar term. So here plus 2x1 x2, here minus 2x1 x2, that we can cancel. Similarly 2y1 y2, here minus 2y1 y2, that also we can cancel. Now we can add. How many x1 here? 1 x1 square plus 1 x1 square. Similarly x2 square repeat 2 times. x2 square, here x2 square. Then y1 square, here also 1 y1 square. y2 square also 2 times. So in simple we can write the answer as 2 into x1 square plus x2 square plus y1 square plus y2 square. Okay, so when we add the diagonal squares of the diagonal also, we got the same answer, 2 into x1 square plus x2 square plus y1 square plus y2 square. That means both these are same. Okay, so this is fourth one's answer.
Next question number 5. In this picture, the midpoint of the sides of the larger triangle are joined to make a small triangle inside. Calculate the coordinate of the vertices of the large triangle.
Here in this question we have a triangle. Okay, one large triangle, and by joining the midpoint of all the three sides we have one small triangle also, and that small triangle's coordinates are given. Okay, that means these 3 points are midpoint of 3 sides. Let's mark the points as A, B and C. These points as P, Q and R. Okay, P, Q, R are midpoints of AB, BC and AC. We have to find the coordinate of large triangle. So here also equation is there, that is by using midpoint, but it's lengthy one. Here also we can apply the first method, that was easy method. We know for a triangle, if the line joining the midpoint, okay, the line joining midpoint will be parallel to the third side. That means here Q, R and AB are parallel. So we will get 3 parallelograms here. So first let's consider the parallelogram A, P, Q, R. So consider parallelogram A, P, Q, R. Okay, which is a diagonal here in this one? A, P, Q, R. Only this portion let's consider. So which is a diagonal pair given? PR is a diagonal. Okay, PR is diagonal. Now by using that easy method we can find the A coordinate, because in this parallelogram diagonal numbers are given and one corner point also we have. So in order to find x and y of A coordinate, okay, in order to find the x coordinate, what we will do? Sum of x coordinate in the diagonal, that is PR, diagonal PR. So 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 minus corner. Corner is Q here. APQR means corner is Q here. So x is 5. So minus 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 5, answer is 2. So here x coordinate will be 2. Next to find y coordinate, sum of y in the diagonal. So 2 and 3. So 3 plus 2 minus y in the corner. Y in the corner is 4. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So we got coordinates as 2, 1. A coordinate we got. Similarly, we can find B coordinate. Here we need one parallelogram. So we can consider the parallelogram P, B, Q, R. P, B, Q, R. This one. This parallelogram. Okay. So no need to consider these two small only this parallelogram. So here which will be the diagonal? Diagonal is PQ. PQ is a diagonal. So to find x coordinate, sum of the diagonal. So PQ means x coordinates are 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 minus x in the corner point. X in the corner point means corner, one corner given is R. So x coordinate is 3 there. So 3 equal to 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Next is y. So sum of y in the diagonal. So 2 and 4 are the y coordinate. Don't get confused with x and y. First is x and second is y. Okay. So y coordinate is 2 and 4. So 4 plus 2 minus y in the corner. Corner y again 3. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 3, again answer is 3. So here B coordinate will be 6, 3. That also we got. Next is third point, that is C point we need to find. So for that, one parallelogram, that is R, P, Q, C. Okay, so that is, let's start from P. P, Q, C, R. Okay, P, Q, this one, this part. So which is a diagonal? RQ is a diagonal. Okay, both the coordinate in that diagonal was given, then only we can apply this. Okay, so here RQ is a diagonal. So to find the x coordinate of this C point, sum of x in the diagonal, that is 3 and 5. So 5 plus 3 minus x in the one corner, that is 4. So 4 equal to 8 minus 4, answer is 4. Next is y coordinate. So y coordinate means the sum of y coordinates. Consider diagonal, that is RQ is the diagonal. So 3 then 4. So 4 plus 3 minus y in the corner, it is 2. So 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 2, answer is 5. So C coordinate is 4, 5. Okay, so this is the method to find the answer, just by considering the diagonal. Don't get confused, don't make mistake, be careful. Okay, no equations here. Just by considering the x coordinate and y coordinate in the diagonal, you can find the answer. Okay, so fifth question also over. So first section over. Hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the next section.